TFNN. Headline News Update.
Hi everyone, Basil Chapman. This is the TFNN Noon Update. I am the host of the Tiger Technicians Hour, coming up straight after this, and the author of the opening call. Daily newsletter, Dow's down 41 at 26,037. Sounds kind of benign after the couple of 400-point moves to the downside yesterday. Hey, after the ISM number came out at 10 o'clock, whoosh, straight down to 26,133 in the Dow, down over 320 points. Now it's come back, was a little bit positive. Right there, you see this orange line in the daily chart? Are we showing the charts? No, we're not. There it is. Showing the charts there it is on the daily chart. You'll see this 200 orange line, 200 period exponential moving average. We stopped right on it yesterday, went way below it today, and now we're sitting right there at 26,041. Let's see what happens over the next couple of hours into tomorrow. Certainly tomorrow, we got the jobs report. So what we're looking at here is that in terms of volatility, in terms of the VIX index, we've seen a spiral into the 20s. Maybe we kind of oversold on a short-term basis. Certainly we could bounce. Really important, you see this weekly chart, we held the support there, this trend line support right there at the low today of 26,133. The S&P is actually a little bit stronger than the Dow right now. It is up 2.67 at 2890. It too ran afoul of the 200-period moving average, having hit it yesterday, and then it went plummeting underneath it. It went down to 2855. Down over 30 points, and now it's up 3.35 at 2890. The 200-period moving average in the daily chart is at 2874. Let's look at the QQQ. 1, 2, 3. Here we go. QQ up 67 at 184.71. It too had a sharp spike. It went under its 200-period moving average in the daily. Now it's nicely above it. I think that we could have an oversold bounce. Yeah, we'll see what happens tomorrow. Of course, we do not want to see another 300-point move down tomorrow, because Monday then could be a horrible session. We want to see a bounce and then some retesting. That's going to be important. Let's look at the IWM. The IWM at this point is down 1 at 146.25. Has been the weakest, still the weakest. And gold had a really strong rally earlier this morning. It's still up 7 points at 15.15, but it ran all the way to 15.25. And just the other day, it was at 14.65, 3 days ago. This is important. And the dollar is pulling back somewhat here. It is down at 98.69. And crude oil, we do more of this when we get back and talk about bonds. Basil Chapman, host of the Tiger Technicians Hour, coming.